This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the network. Then launch the app gallery. After that, at the search bar type in Chrome. Look for, Google Chrome, results from pedal search, since the Google Chrome browser itself is not present at the app gallery, but you can still get it from here since the app gallery provides you with some outbound, search results, APK files from the outside of it. So let's go ahead and install it. Already, once the Google Chrome has been downloaded, installed, and all the security checks are performed, you can just go ahead and launch Google Chrome, or should I say finalize the installation first and then launch it, of course. So now let's go ahead and open the app. The only question is, here it is. So once launching the Google Chrome for the first time, you gotta undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So here, click on the accept and continue, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.